Hello everyone, thanks for joining in. Today we're just going to do a really quick video on the unboxing process of a LINKA SmartMotion key. So basically you'll get your big shipment, something like this if you're just getting a one's motion key. Alternatively, you'll probably get a bigger box if you're ordering it with a Lasso or a Leo 2 or a Leo 2 Pro. So why don't we go ahead and get started. We'll take it out of the box. You'll see the box looks like this nice little simple box like this. Has a LINKA logo on it, has a label on it, and it also has a setup QR code that you can use to help you set this up as well. Alternatively, you can be watching this video. So as we open it, you'll see inside the smart key sitting inside there. When you pull it out, you notice that there's going to be a small little yellow piece of tape. That yellow tape is actually preventing the battery from activating. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull that tape out. And then once that tape is out, the battery will be activated and we'll begin the pairing process. All right, so now we're ready to begin setting up this smart key with a lock of ours. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the yellow tab and just pull it out. And once you pull it out, now this battery is activated. On the back side of this, you'll see the QR code and the address of the actual SmartMotion key. So what we're gonna come in here is gonna open up the app, and we're going to be connected to the specific lock that we're in. We don't actually have to be connected. We can stay unconnected and then just go into the settings for that. And then you're going to see here, there's going to be a SmartMotion key. We click on that. It says not connected to LINKA, so we just basically actually need to be connected to the lock. So let's grab that lock for a second. So now we're connected. So you'll see now these go from light gray to dark gray. So we'll press SmartMotion key this time. And even though we already have a SmartMotion key paired, we're going to go ahead and add another one. So what we'll need to do is turn on the camera. So when we press add more, we're going to turn on this section here. You can move forward from here. Scan that. Once it scans, pair successfully. Done. Now that actual key will trigger the unlocking and locking of this lock. An important note for the SmartMotion key is that it goes to sleep after 10 seconds of no motion. So obviously the intention behind that is to conserve battery power and to prevent any what we call man-in-the-middle attacks. So if anybody else is trying to spoof your Bluetooth signal, so that way when you're approaching it, obviously it'll be in your pocket, in your bag, and as you approach, it'll automatically be awake and it'll connect to the lock. And then at that point, you can just press the lock button and unlock. That's basically how you set up a SmartMotion key, as easy as that. Now, a couple of things to know is you can connect up to 4 SmartMotion keys per LINKA device, or you can connect 1 SmartMotion key with up to 4 devices. So that gives you a lot of flexibility, so you don't have to keep having multiple keys if you have multiple locks on your bike. All right, and that's about it. Thank you very much.